The future of luxury supercars, black supercar, cinematic supercars are no longer just about speed. They are a combination of the engineering, technology, design, and emotion. Today, we explore a machine that represents the future of automotive excellence.
Every detail of a modern supercar is created with one goal: perfection. From the aggressive aerodynamic shape to the precision-crafted body lines, every element is designed to deliver a unique driving experience. Every detail of a modern supercar is created with one goal: perfection. From its aggressive aerodynamic shape to its precision-crafted body lines, every element is designed to deliver a unique driving experience. But a supercar is more than a beautiful machine. It is where engineering, technology, and design come together to create something truly extraordinary. The exterior design is a perfect balance between beauty and performance. Sharp LED lighting, aerodynamic surfaces, and lightweight materials create a futuristic appearance while improving efficiency and stability. Every curve has a purpose. Every line is carefully shaped to control airflow, reduce drag, and give the car an unmistakable presence on the road. This is where design stops being purely visual and becomes part of the engineering itself. But the real character of a supercar comes from what lies beneath the bodywork. Advanced engineering, powerful propulsion systems, and intelligent vehicle technology work together to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. Every component is designed with precision, from the chassis and suspension to the braking system and aerodynamic controls. The result is a machine engineered not only to look fast, but to respond with confidence, precision, and control. Inside the cabin, luxury meets technology. Premium materials, a driver-focused cockpit, and advanced digital displays create an environment designed around both comfort and control. Every surface, control, and screen has been carefully integrated to keep the driving experience intuitive and connected. The result is an interior that feels modern, sophisticated, and focused on the person behind the wheel. The future of automobiles is not only about going faster, it is about creating machines that combine performance, technology, design, and emotion in a completely new way. As automotive technology continues to evolve, the supercar is becoming more than a symbol of speed. It is becoming a showcase of what modern engineering can achieve. And this is only the beginning of the next generation of automotive innovation.